Hello students, today we will study in this class relation between cardinal numbers of the sets, and we will take some examples related to set theory. If you want get more benefit of this class, so then you watch previous videos. Okay, in last class we will study complement of set, complement of a set. इसमें स्टडी किया था, वी हैव स्टडी इन दिस U be any universal set and A be any subset of U. So then complement of A denoted by A dash and given by A dash equal U minus A. A dash equal U minus A. In one diagram, this is universal set and this circle represents set A, and this line shaded portion represent elements of A, and out of this circle the dotted portion represent elements of A dash. This is A dash. So this way A dash also a set which contain only elements of U, not A. A dash के अंदर सिर्फ U के एलिमेंट्स होंगे, A के एलिमेंट्स नहीं होंगे, जिसे आप यहाँ देख रहे हैं. This dotted region represent only A dash. Okay. Now taking one example of this, if capital U having elements 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and capital A having element 2, 3, 5, so then A dash all is equal to U minus A. So here we will take only element of U. We remove A's element from U. U से A के एलिमेंट को रिमूव कर देंगे. तो लेफ्ट एलिमेंट्स आर 1, 2, 3, 5. तो 2, 3, 5 इनको रिमूव कर देंगे दिस वे, एंड हेयर लेफ्ट एलिमेंट्स आर 1, 4, 6 and 7. So this is A dash, that is complement of A. Now relation between cardinal numbers of sets या order of sets. Cardinal number, order of set are same. So relation between cardinal numbers of here we consider capital U universal set and capital A and capital B are subsets of U. So then we will understand this relation through Venn diagram. So this rectangle represents universal set and these circles represent set A and set B. Okay. So then this portion, this line shaded portion represent A minus B, and this part, this dotted part represent B minus A, that is B minus A, and this region represent A intersection B. This part is common for A and B, so this represent A intersection B. Now an A union B, it means number of elements of A union B, number of elements in A union B. NA represent number of elements in A, and NB represent number of elements in B. Okay. So then through this diagram, NA union B equal to union, it means this whole part which contain all elements of A, all elements of B and common elements of A and B. So it will be equal to NA minus B, this region, plus intersection part elements, so plus N A intersection B and plus N B minus A. Okay. After this, N A minus B, this region, so it will be equal to N A minus A intersection B. A के एलिमेंट्स से इंटरसेक्शन एलिमेंट्स को सब्ट्रैक्ट करेंगे, तो देन वी विल गेट A माइनस B. तो इट मीन एन A माइनस B इक्वल टू एन A माइनस एन A इंटरसेक्शन B. आफ्टर दैट एन A इंटरसेक्शन B and plus n B minus A, this value will equal to n B, number of elements in B, minus number of elements in intersection of A and B. So it will be equal to n B minus n A intersection B. Okay, it is plus and this minus, so it will be cancelled and n A union B equal to n A plus n B and minus n A intersection B. So this way, this is the required relation between the cardinal numbers of two non-empty sets A and B, and A union B equal to n A plus n B minus n A intersection B. Through this formula, we can find cardinal numbers of any sets. Okay, now we will take some examples. Example of this: if capital X and capital Y are two sets such that X having number of elements 17 and ny having number of elements 23 and number of elements in union of X and Y equal 38, so then find number of elements in intersection of X and Y. So by using this formula which we have taught just now, we find the value of X intersection Y. The solution of this: we know that nx union y be equal to nx plus ny minus nx intersection y. Here we consider in place of capital A capital X and in place of B capital Y. So we will use this way, this formula: nx union y equal to nx plus ny minus nx intersection y. Here number of elements in union of X and Y 38, so we put in place of this 38. nx having 17 elements, ny 23, and we have to find number of elements in intersection of X and Y. So 38 and this we equal to 7 and 3 10, carry 1 3 and 4, and minus n intersection Y. On transposition we shift this term to this side and 38 to right side, so it will equal n x intersection y equal to, in this way we can say there are only two elements are common between x and y. x और y में only two elements common है. Okay, one more. Second example: if S and T are two sets having such that as having 21 elements and T having 32 elements, and their intersection, that is an S intersection T having 11 elements, तो then find S union T, number of elements in S union T, that is then find number of elements in S union T. तो same way we will use that formula कि n A union B equal to NA plus NB minus n A intersection B. Here in place of A we will take S and in place of B we will take capital T. So we have NS union T equal to NS plus NT and minus N as intersection T. Now put the elements from the question. Here we consider this equation first. Here N S equal to 21, NT equal to 32 and N as intersection T equal 11. So now from equation first, N as union T equal to NS 21 plus NT 32 and N as intersection T equal to 11. So 3 to 5 minus 11, this be equal to 3 minus 1 2 and 5 minus 1 4. So this way we can say number of elements will be in S union T. S union T के अंदर 41 एलिमेंट्स होंगे. Okay, it is clear. After that I am taking some examples related to complement. If capital U equal to 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 and 10 and capital A 1 2 3, capital B 7 8 9 and 3 also. Capital equal to 1 2 3, capital B 3 7 8 9. We have to find number 1 A dash, number 2 B dash, number 3 A union B dash and number 4 A intersection D dash. This way we have to find this. So now solution of this. First we have to find A dash. A dash will be equal to capital U minus A. Capital U minus A. A dash means such set having only elements of U, not A. So here we put first element of U 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Now after that element of A 1, 2 and 3. Now we subtract element of A from U. So 1, 2, 3. We remove 1, 2, 3 from U. So we will take here 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. This way A dash. So this is A dash. In Venn diagram we can represent this way. This is A and this region, line shaded region, represent A dash. So this is A dash. Okay, it is clear. Now after that B dash. After that B dash. Second part of this B dash. We have to find B dash. So B dash also be equal to U minus B. Similarly, first we take element of U 9 and 10 and after that we subtract element of B. So 3, 7, 8, 9. Now the left elements will be 1, 2, 3 is common here. We remove this. So 1, 2, 4, 5, 6, 7 is common, 8 and 9 also common elements. So we will take 1, 2, 4, 5, 6, after that 10. So this value will be B dash. Similarly, like a first part, we can represent this through Venn diagram this way. This is set B. This portion, this line shaded portion represent element of B and this black unshaded region represent B dash, unshaded region. Unshaded region represent B dash. Okay. Now after this A union B dash. Third part A union B dash. To find this, first we have to find here A union B. So A union B will be equal to 1, 2, 3 union B having elements 3, 7, 8 and 9. Now 1, 2, 3 is common. We will take only one time and 7, 8, 9. So this is the value of A union B. Now after this A union B dash, this way equal to U minus A union B. Here, to find A union B dash, we subtract element of A union B from element of U. U के एलिमेंट से A union B के एलिमेंट्स को सब्ट्रैक्ट करेंगे, तो दिस वैल्यू will be equal to here 1 2 3 are common. After that 4 5 6 7 present here, so we leave 7 8 and 9 also, so we leave here 7 8 9 and left element 10. So this value will be represent A union B dash. In Venn diagram, we can represent this situation this way: universal set, and this is this A and this B. A union B, this line shaded region represent A union B. The unshaded region, this unshaded region represent A union B dash, unshaded region. So this is unshaded region. So this unshaded region represent A union B dash. Similarly, we can find A intersection B dash. This example is clear. After that, for A intersection B dash, we have to find this. So before finding this, first we find A intersection B. We have A intersection B. The common elements, we will take here common elements of A and B. So here common elements only 3. 3 is common element between A and B. Only 3. And now after that, we have to find A intersection B dash, B equal to U minus A intersection B. So this value be equal to 1 2 4. We remove एलिमेंट ऑफ ए इंटरसेक्शन बी. ए इंटरसेक्शन बी के अंदर ओनली 3 एलिमेंट है, तो वी रिमूव फ्रॉम यू एलिमेंट 3. तो 1 2 4 5 6 7 8 9 and 10. So these elements will be element of A intersection B. In Venn diagram, we can represent this situation this way. This is universal set, and these are subsets of U. So then A intersection B, this portion, this is A intersection B. A intersection B. This is A intersection B, and the dotted region, this dotted region out of this shaded region, जो shaded region है इसके outside whole region will represent elements of A intersection B dash. So this region represent A intersection B dash, dotted region. Dotted region. It is clear? Now we can explain, we can take some more examples also here. How we represent A intersection B dash in Venn diagram. To represent A intersection B dash and A dash union B dash. Okay, to represent A intersection B dash and A dash union B dash, represent through a diagram. Okay, so now first there are two sets A and B here. The first I am taking here A intersection B dash. We consider for both condition capital U, V any universal set, and capital A and capital B are subsets of capital U. So then A intersection B dash, just now we represent this A intersection B dash, this portion, this region, A intersection B dash. Okay, sorry, this line shaded region represent A intersection B, and this whole unshaded region A intersection B dash, this unshaded region represent A intersection B dash, unshaded region, unshaded region. Similar, same way, this is the first part, and second part A dash union B dash. So this is universal set, this is universal set. Here this is A and this B, this A and this B. A dash will be out of A. A dash कहाँ होगा? Out of A, A के बाहर. तो out of A, this vertical lines represent A dash. Out of A only. These lines lie in B. ये लाइन्स B के अंदर लाई करेंगे. And for B dash will be the out of B. Out of B, it mean कि जो B के बाहर का रीजन है, that region represent B dash. Vertical line represent, these lines represent, these lines represent A dash. Represents A dash, and horizontal line represents B dash. Okay, now we have to find that region A dash union B dash. So A dash union B dash, in this region, this whole shaded region, it means except this region, the whole shaded region represent A dash union B dash. This region A dash union B dash, whole shaded region. Okay, it is clear? So this way we study set theory in this class. This is the complete set theory we have taught up to this class. Okay, so you watch previous videos to get more benefit of this video. If you like this class, then share to others and subscribe the channel. If you have any doubt, तो you follow Telegram, link description में. Okay.